sir, Rise of Crime, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, I want to show you this video. I'm working on a 2011 MKZ, Lincoln MKZ. It's a hybrid, and this thing been giving me hell. I did some work on it, started on it August 2nd. August 2nd I did it, that brake booster. Found out the master cylinder was leaking inside the brake booster. So with that being said, you got to replace the master cylinder because the master cylinder is leaking inside of the booster. So it'll warrant the warranty. The warranty would be voided if you just put an old master cylinder on there and it continues to leak. Void the warranty. Okay, so now I put the master cylinder on. Got one from the junkyard months later. Here it is. That was August 2nd when I first started. Today it is the 11th of November. So yeah, man, this is a mobile mechanics nightmare. Been back and forth. Okay, so I put the master cylinder on there. Needed to replace the sensors on it. Got this sensor here, and it's another long one with a little stem on it. But yeah, now I'm here. Hopefully we're gonna get this thing running, get it on the road, can stop with no problem. What else? Right now I'm bleeding the brake system. So I just did. You're supposed to start from the furthest caliper from the master cylinder, which would be that tire right there. All right, now we're gonna go. I already did that, so I'm gonna show you how we bleed it with the one-man toolkit. We gotta go to this tire next, and then when we finish that tire, we're gonna go to this tire. And the last tire would be the driver, front driver. All right, so this is the way you're supposed to do it, any vehicle, to get this bled properly. Let's get it. All right, we're at the rear driver side. We already did the rear passenger. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this nipple off. Your brake bleeder. This is all we're looking at. Now we have this brake bleeding, one-man brake bleeding tool. Okay, that's the part number. Okay, now real quick rundown. They got a lot of little fittings you gotta find out. Got this from AutoZone. Gotta find out the best fitting for your for the job. This is what I got, my setup. Now you have a gasket in between this. You want to make sure that gasket is sealed, unless you won't get any it won't suck it in like it should. So basically you want to put it on there. Wait, you want to loosen up that 10mm first. Loosen that up. Now we can put on our nipple. And all you do here is just pump. This would be a great time to change your fluid. So basically you wouldn't add this back in there, you just dump it out and refill it with new fluid in the reservoir and just continue. And that's basically a brake flush for you. Getting new fluid inside your lines. So basically, you know you're done when there's no more bubbles coming out. There's no more suds. It's not foamy. And we're clear. And you want to do that for your next tire. You want to go up to the front passenger. And like I said, you want to end off the last tire being your front driver. All right, be sure to tighten up your brake bleeder valve and add that cap back on there. All right, we on the front passenger side. Locate that bleeder valve. That one broke. Yeah, so do the same thing for this one. And these rotors are rusted. Brake pads are low for the front and the rear. I mean, whew, definitely gonna recommend those. This bolt, I do want to notate that this bleeder valve is 8mm. It's not a 10mm like the rear. All right, fill that up. Do it again. Watch it clear up. And that's the old. And when I'm done, I'm gonna show you the new. It's getting a lot lighter, man. That's it. That's what we want to see. We don't want that dark, dirty brake fluid. It can cause failure to your brake system. And that's the clear fluid. That's what we're looking for. It's gonna be the last wheel. Working all that old fluid out. Get all the bubbles out, get the air out the system. Brake bleed. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. That's how you bleed the brake system. Flush it, new fluid in. If you have any questions, man, you know, comment section below. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions, tips that I do not know about, I mean, I'd be free to hear about them, man. That's what I'm here for. I'm an open ear. I don't know everything, you know, so help a brother out. I'm helping y'all with these videos. Hey, till next time, pull up, King.